This pattern is from Knitting Bee. I'll put a link in the description box for those who would want to print the pattern. It's a free pattern from Knitting Bee. The pattern is in multiples of 10 plus 6. So for this scarf I did 36 stitches, and it's 60 inches long. You will need your yarn. So I've got my yarn from Iceyarns, and it's 200 grams, and you will need your 5mm circular needles. That's what I'm going to be using for this tutorial. Okay, let us start. We're going to cast on 26 using the long tail cast on. So make a slip knot, and then we cast on 26. So we've got one already there. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, so you've got your 26 stitches, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So I normally just tie here just to make sure that the first stitch doesn't unravel. So I just make a just to make sure that the first stitch doesn't unravel when you start your row. So row 1, you knit, okay, so that's row 1. You turn your work. Row 2, you knit from start to end. So you've got your 2 rows. Then on row 3, you start the pattern. So you knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you wrap your yarn on this needle here. You wrap it 2 times, 1, 2. So your yarn is at the back there. You wrap it 1, 2, and then you knit 1. Then you wrap it again 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then you knit. And then you wrap it again 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you knit 1. And then you wrap it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then you knit 1. And then you wrap it 2 times, 1, 2, and then you knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you wrap your yarn 2 times, knit 1, wrap your yarn 3 times, knit 1, then wrap your yarn 4 times, and knit 1, and wrap your yarn 3 times, knit 1, then you wrap your yarn 2 times, and then knit 6. Then you turn your work. You knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you've got all that yarn that you were wrapping onto the needle. You just drop the yarn, and then you knit 1, and then you drop again, then knit 1, then you drop the 4, then knit 1, then you drop 3, knit 1, then you drop 2, and then knit 1. Then you've got the 6 here that you just knit. So you knit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you drop 2, then you knit 1, then you knit 1, drop, and then you knit 1, then you drop the 3, knit 1, drop the 2, and then knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's row 4 finished. Turn your work, knit from start to end. you turn your work, then you knit from start to end. So this is what it looks like. You turn your work, and then from here you are going to alternate the waves. So you're going to have a wave here and another one here and another one here. I'm going to put timestamps in the description or in the comments so that you can follow which row is which one. Okay, so here, knit one, wrap your yarn 2 times on the needle, knit one, wrap your yarn 3 times on the needle, knit one, wrap your yarn 4 times on the needle, knit one, wrap your yarn 3 times, knit one, wrap your yarn 2 times, and then knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you wrap your yarn 2 times on the needle, then knit one, wrap your yarn 3 times, knit one, wrap your yarn 4 times, knit one, wrap your yarn 3 times, knit one, wrap your yarn 2 times, knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wrap your yarn 2 times, knit one, wrap your yarn 3 times, knit one, wrap your yarn 4 times, knit one, wrap your yarn 3 times, knit one, wrap your yarn 2 times, knit one, and that's the end of the row. Turn your work, knit from start to end. In this row you knit and drop the yarn overs. So you knit the first stitch and then you drop the 2 yarn over, and then you knit 1, drop this, and then you knit 1 and drop, knit 1, drop, knit 1, drop, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you drop 2, knit 1, drop, drop, and then you knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you drop, then you knit, then you drop, then you knit, then you drop, and then you drop the last 2, and then you knit the last stitch. In this row you knit all from beginning of the row to end. Just knit all the stitches. Okay, and then in this row you knit from beginning of the row to the end of the row. So you knit all stitches. So that's it. That's what you do. And then you just pull these dropped yarn over so that you can see your waves. So that's all you do. So on the next when you start this row, you're going to alternate again the waves. So instead of putting the wave at the beginning of the row, you'll put it in between the other waves. So the next set of waves will be just 2, so it will be here and there, and then from there you'll do another 3 and another 2 and so on and so forth. So hope this is clear. For my scarf I did 36. I cast on 36, and so you can see it's got 3 waves at the beginning, and the second set of waves we've got 4, and then 3 and 4. So please comment below and let me know if you managed to follow this tutorial. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to contact me on my Instagram or on Facebook. I'll be so happy to see your projects. Please share your projects on our group on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.